I've been told before that I see the world through rose-colored glasses. What I never really knew is I actually need to. My nervous system responds really well to rose-colored lenses. But guess what? That's not for everyone. There's a variety of different colors, and each lens actually changes the vibrational frequency in which light enters into your brain. And depending on who you are and how you're wired and set, different colors work better for different people. I had so much fun with my kids and my husband this weekend, all trying on different glasses and seeing what colors worked best for our own individualized nervous system. So here I am at the office today wearing my rose-colored lenses, living my best life. Cannot wait to tell you all more about this neurosomatic intelligence course that Lauren and I are taking, and we will soon be certified to spread this information with the world. So keep following and tuning in.